Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel, guys. Today I am going to make a new video, so please whatever.
You can press play, then we Bombay. From the line, thank you Lord, God I shot.
This is your boy James, back again. So today we're operating a young blind date nyana. Answer. So leave ufuna how many likes mhla. Ufuna mhlambi bethe how many likes?
Maybe 1K above.
1K above. When?
10K.
10K, okay. So ngithome ngawo ngizimjida ni. Sure, Tim. So like, what is your love language?
Well, I don't have one.
So like, how do you express your love, bro?
How do I express my love?
Clean.
Depends
On
on the girl.
that are dating
Yeah.
type shit, man. So what is your love language?
Quality time and physical touch, like
Physical touch. Okay. So uthanda bogela kanjani? So what is your like your type?
Well, I need something decent, you know.
Something decent.
Yeah, like umuntu ozaziyo ukuthi ufunani, bro, you know.
Okay, if like no I'm describe like ukuthi wena ufuna umuntu onjani, othick, slender, chubby.
Okay. Yeah.
Hey, banna.
Yes, bro, you know. Obviously, sure.
Hey, banna.
Yo. Okay. So wena uthanda umjito onjani? What is your type, bro?
I wouldn't say umuntu echabini, but abe nomzimba, angisifuni slender, angisifuni sidudla, but abe right. Okay, or clean, abe nice, gqoke kahle. Okay, abe muhle, you know. So yeah.
Okay. So yini like i-green flag yakho emfaneni wena?
Green flag.
Yeah, i-green flag yakho.
Okay, communicate, have like check every time, every after minute, you know.
Okay, if you check every after like every hour, like mhlawumbe after the hour.
Well, communicate is a red flag.
When I tell me i-green flag yakho ucherry.
Green flag.
Yeah, green flag like.
Can you specify?
Or you can
Like,
Okay, sure. Let's say mhlambe. So let's say okay, sure. Let's say mhlambe yini into like mhlambe ichaza ngogel. Uthanda like ugel mhlambe wenzani, so like izinto ezokwenza ukuthi yachaza ugel lo.
okay. Yeah, ugelo clean, God. About ugelo gqoka smart. Wazi fashion, God. About
Yeah.
yeah.
So if I was ugqoka,
If I was I red flag.
okay, i-red flag akho ucherry.
Ay, umntwana ogcwele istrata. Abo madi kusingayi.
Ucherry strata. Cho. Wena usungestrata wena.
I mean, nah. I'm too loyal, bro. Like, yeah.
Okay, sure. Wena yini i-red flag yakho? Like kukai.
I'm saying that every time I give text and ngimbuza ukuthi ipuncture ukuthi usemajideni.
Cho. Okay. Bona ngizingaya like 3 minutes ne. Ngibuza nina ama questions ngizocala ngawe ne.
Boy, cala ngami.
But the ladies first, ngisho. Wait, vuma leyo.
Yeah, ladies first, bro. You know.
Mangibuzani. Uyasela
Yeah.
every day.
No. Special occasions.
Like uthanda uzibona phakathi kwabentazana abaningi like. Yeah.
Okay, if I were to ask you to be my soulmate, would you be one?
No.
Why not?
God have mercy upon.
That's why you call it a blind date, you know. Honestly speaking, I can tell you really are a certain type of a flower that I kind of desire the most, you know.
That's my bar. Shit. He copied my whole fucking flow.
Yeah. I'm into you, I think. And the way you described yourself, I think indlela ngithini umfazi noma intombi kumele iziphathe ngakhona yabo. Yeah. We're not for the streets, you know. I mean, the streets are too heavy for you. Okay. Yeah.
Okay, sure, Otam. So ngiyo ama question kade ufuna umbuza wona la kuphela.
Yeah.
Nawe? Okay, sure. So ungamrate ngaki since ungamboni? The way umuzwa ngakhona imjito njani ungamrate ngaki? On a scale of 1 to 10.
I would say 6.
Okay, ifole uzomgana ucitha umbona.
Yeah, maybe.
Okay. Wena tell me ungamrate ngaki since umzwile?
Yo, 9, because I'm the one she needs.
That's a bar.
Okay. So like ngiba like uthi uqalile ngithola. Na ngiba uthi uqalile. Stop. Okay, so shall I count down and like ngibawa leave video like at least now mhlawumbe sa like si drop na sa thola boma 50 subscribers I drop. And so if not 50 subscribers then khohlwana ngale video. So shall I count down in 5 4 3 2 1. Jam. Relax. 1. Yeah, sure ngawo. Ungavula utham. Bese jikeni mbonani. Khona ungakusho. Okay, sure sithome ngawo utham. Okay, since umbona so utham uthini? Ungale like umrate ngaki?
I'm right ngako.
Yeah.
I told you already.
Oh, change such a meal up 9.
Yeah.
Okay, wena. Umrate ngaki?
1.
Yo. Akusitha ipako. Right.
Yeah, I'm alright, man.
Yo. Okay, shoot muslang yesibone second date ne.
Nope.
So umjita nangakuba uphuma nawe Twitter yangeke.
Lo.
Uthini wena ke second date?
If she's up for it, then yeah, I mean, mara if I get caught then namang you could let it flow.
Okay, sure. Mayra gathi uyaphuma nawe uzokubhadala.
Yeah, obviously the bill is on me.
Like nje so.
Yeah,
Okay. No tell type yakho vele.
definitely.
Okay, nizwela uthi sivale ke. Awenze shout out lapho.
Shout out, yo.
Nawe.
Shout out, guys.
Thank you for watching this video. Hope you like it. Drop the comments and uthi niyanicabanga ngayo. Bye.
You can press play, then we Bombay. From the line, thank you Lord, God I shine takes.